Now we will differentiate between blog and website. Blog, it means a regularly updated website or web page, typically one run by an individual or small group that is written in an informal or conversational style. Website is written in a formal way because we are to communicate with public, telling them about our activities or our products or services. But in the case of blog, we use the blogs to convey our personal opinions, to convey our thoughts. Suppose we have visited a particular country, a particular state, a religious place, or some hotel, we can write about our opinions, thoughts, or comments about that country, state, or religious place or particular hotel. Wherever we have visited, we can write about the same in the shape of blog. It may often contain hyperlinks, videos, and photographs provided by you. The entries of a blog are known as posts. A person who writes a blog is known as blogger. Blogging is the act of posting content on a blog. Here you can see the blog of Bill Gates. Posts are typically displayed in a reverse chronological order. It means that most recent posts appear first at the top of the web page. It means that if suppose we have posted our comments now, that will appear first. The posts which we have posted on our blog earlier will appear downside. Many blogs provide commentary on a particular subject or topic, ranging from politics to sports. Most blogs are mostly textual, although some focus on art, photographs, videos, music, and audio. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this requires active internet connection. You can also use offline blog software to create content first and later publish the content when an active internet connection is available. It means that if you want to post your contents on the blog, internet connection is not required if you are to simply write the same. But if you want to post it so that the general public can view the same, you have to must have an internet connection. However, you can write the same offline. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary. That is, one personal diary may be something which you may be maintaining in physical form, but blogs are like your personal diary which is online. That is, other people can see the same. But in case of physical personal diary, it is not open to public. There are some popular websites which offer free blog services such as WordPress, Weebly, Ghost, Blogger, Tumblr, Joomla. Now, what is the difference between blog and website? Blog can be defined as a personal diary on the internet of an individual or a company which is updated regularly in reverse chronological order with new information about particular topic. Each blog is a website, but not every website is a blog. On many websites, blogs are only a part of the website. Many websites do not have a blog. That it means that there may not be any blog in case of many websites. Every person has his or her own story to tell to the world. Through blogging, we can communicate with large number of people. Bloggers can also make money by having advertisements on their blog. For this, the route is advertisers, Google AdSense, bloggers. Now, how to create a blog account? We are just giving an example. WordPress is a free web service. We can use WordPress to create a beautiful website or blog. It comes with many features so that you can customize the design of the blog. Now, what are the steps which we have to follow to create a blog account in WordPress? These are as follows. First, you need a web browser and an internet connection. Web browser is already there in your computer. Now, what is required is active internet connection. Open the web browser. For example, there may be Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or some other web browser like Apple Safari in your computer. Now you have to type the web address, that is the URL of WordPress, that which is www.wordpress.com in the address bar, and then click get started. The next page will appear on the monitor with different fields which may be email address, username, password. Then email address, you must provide the valid email address. Username, you should choose a username for managing this blog. You should have a strong password for securing your WordPress blog account. After entering all these three fields, click on create your account. Now you have to mention blog address. It is used by the viewer to view your blog. After entering all this information, your blog is ready for use. Though it may appear to be somewhat confusing, but once you do it on the web browser using internet facility, you will find all this very simple. Adding content to the blog. Now, how to add content to the blog? Once you have created a blog, you have to submit content that you want others to view. Others, what you want to communicate. What are your views? What are your emotions you want to tell to the public? The process is called posting content. To create a post, click new post. Window similar to the one in the figure appears. You then second point is title. Here this is the title. You must provide a title for your post. Choose a title that this post will focus on. Suppose you have visited a particular country, you can say that my visit to USA. You can also, other example may be school annual day function 2021. You can type content that you want others to view. Here you are to write the content. Once you have finished typing content, in the content box, click publish button. Here this is given. To publish your content or post, to view your post, you can type the blog address in the address bar of the web browser. You can also add photos, videos, etc. to the blog using the options available in the WordPress. You can comment on the posts published by others. There may be another bloggers who have given their who have updated their posts or uploaded their posts. You can also give your comments on the post of others. Usually the option is available towards the end of the post. For example, in the WordPress, the comment box is located below the post and labeled as leave a reply as shown in this picture. In the comment box, you are to give your comments. Then you have to mention your email address, your name, your website address or blog address is optional. Once you have typed the content in the comment area, review carefully and click on the post comment option. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.